Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a ruby red 2017 Ford Mustang EcoBoost Premium, stock number A7154. Right away up front you have factory fog lights. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in Goodyear Eagle tires. You have a soft top convertible here. That top is in great shape. Inside there is a tan and black leather upholstery, which is fantastic condition as well. There is seating for two up front, and you have seating for two in the second row. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. Coming to the rear, there is a dual exhaust here. You do also have keyless entry for the trunk. Inside, as you can see, it is very clean. You do have a backup camera here. The reason that I'm showing you this Mustang today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. And taking a step inside to the left of the steering wheel, you have cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. On the driver's side visor, there are HomeLink garage door opener buttons. And then coming over to the center, you have a push button start here. There is this great touchscreen display. This is where your backup camera will show. You do have a navigation system here, CD player along with an AM/FM radio, and you can also control your climate. Take a quick look at the audio screen there as well. You do have capabilities for Sirius satellite radio. Underneath of that, there are your climate controls. You have buttons here for heated and cooled front row seating, as well as dual climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 28 miles per gallon. And then up to the convertible top here, you can see it's very easy to open. You just twist this handle, and then you've got a convenient button right here. So we'll go ahead and pop that open. As you can see, that's a nice and quick transition. If you'd like to get more information on this Mustang or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.